Hello guys, in this video I'd like to let you know that Zulu has a free model for us. So first of all, before looking at the free model, be sure to check out their ArtStation. There's a number of really nice pieces here. Zulu is good from everything from painting to modeling as well. And it's a very interesting transition. It starts off with a lot of fantasy pieces, fantasy, then we got sci-fi, and then it's just like pure sci-fi. So sometimes we as artists start out with one genre and then we slowly transition to another one here just because it suits our fancy. But I always appreciate artists who can do everything from quick painting to really detailed modeling and sculpting to environments. And there's different moods, different time periods, dragons, birds, sorcerers, really advanced sci-fi ships, vehicles, soldiers, so I got a little bit of everything. So if we take a look at this one right here, Zoo writes, in order to make the design appropriate for a futuristic soldier, I designed and sculpted every part myself. By the way, not sure if anyone is interested in having the ZBrush file. I might consider sharing the helmet out if the likes hits 1.5 thousand. And guess what guys, it's got to 2.8 thousand. So you simply go into the store and you will find this free model right here. Link is in the description. So here you go guys, this model is all yours for free. It comes with a ZTL, ZBrush file, as well as an FBX file. So even if you don't have ZBrush, you can still check out and learn from this fantastic example. And here you go guys, all for free. You get this incredibly detailed model. It's extremely complex here, has a variety of amazing techniques used, so you can really kind of learn a lot from these techniques right here. So you can really just kind of dive in here and have fun exploring every single square centimeter of this model. It's just jam-packed with details, guys. So be sure to give a nice thank you to Zoo. Thank you for watching and take care.